Hare Krishna. This is the Pandal for Varish Vaishnava for 2024. So all the Varish Vaishnavas who have helped us in developing this community for last 20, 30 years. So we are serving them. It's very great joy to serve them. And because of this, we are all feeling sheltered. And along with Varish Vaishnava, we are also taking care of serving for pregnant ladies, mothers with very small children, and some devotees who have some injuries and all. They are also able to take these facilities. And it's a great blessing to get this opportunity in Mayapur Dham.
Also, many of them they expressed their gratitude because they said that Prabhu, previously we used to go take prasad in the hand and we had to search for the where to sit and chair and that we have to keep on our lap or arrange for one more chair. But now it's so nicely arranged that we just have to go there, sit there, and everything is coming. And one Mataji just now before getting up, she said, प्रभु 6 दिन तो ऐसे हो गए कि हमने कुछ किया नहीं है कल से रसोई घर फिर से जाना है so that was so they are really very happy and many of them they expressed that Prabhu pehle because of the health reasons it will be very challenging but now it has become quite easy and yesterday despite having so many devotees together coming it was he could easily manage at the same time many of the younger devotees are coming forward to serve they are very happy to come and volunteer for serving and many devotees from Panda Sena from London also they came and they were 2 3 days continuously they came telling that we are happy serving here. So overall it was really very nice.
And you can see also many Matajis from the congregations. They are also serving very enthusiastically.
हरे कृष्णा आई कंसिडर माई सेल्फ वेरी फॉर्चुनेट धाम में सेवा करना ही बहुत फॉर्चून है गुड फॉर्चून है और उसके ऊपर हमको वरिष्ठों के भक्तों की सेवा करने का अवसर मिल रहा है जिन्होंने अपना हमने देखा है उन्होंने अपना पूरा जीवन लगा दिया सेवा में और आज हमको उनका सेवा करने का अवसर मिल रहा है तो मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि धाम में आने का यात्रा में आने की ये पूर्ण सफलता है एंड आई ऑलवेज लुक फॉरवर्ड कि आई कैन बी इंगेज्ड इन दिस सेवा हरी हरी
सो वी आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट कि पिछले 2 साल से हमें ये सेवा मिल रही है वरिष्ठों की करने के लिए एंड आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि ये सेवा मुझे इस साल भी मिले एंड आई एम ग्रेटफुल कि आई गॉट दिस सर्विस बिकॉज इट इज़ सो प्लीजिंग that we get the blessings of the varishtas when we serve them, make them sit and feed prasad. They are so happy because coming to the yatra for them itself is a tapasya. And then if they are fed here, they feel very happy because there are long lines. So I'm very grateful to the yatra committee that they've started this seva for the varishtas. And I look forward to, we can serve like this more and more, expand this service even more and serve in very nicer ways. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Again, very, very fortunate to be given this opportunity to serve. His Holiness Ranganath Swami Maharaj has always emphasized care as a part of Vaishnava Seva. And Radha Gopinath Prabhu talks about care as a system and care as a value. And that is seen here in this service of Vaishnava Vaishnava, where the system is also in place, done very, very beautifully, and the care value is also seen on a day-to-day basis. The organizers have done such a great job of organizing things so systematically, and the devotees are feeding and serving with so much of love. It's wonderful to watch because I think we're setting an example, and hopefully the youngsters who come as a part of the second generation will see this the way the service is being conducted and be inspired from it. So once again, very, very grateful to the Yatra committee and Zonal Shraddha Swami Maharaj for setting up such a wonderful legacy of training for all of us and for the generations to come. Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity.